Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. So September is shaping up to be one of the busiest months that I've had in a really long time. I'm getting ready to go on my first trip in over 2 years this weekend. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know how much I love my niece and nephews. They recently moved to Georgia and came back to visit this month as well. My oldest nephew turned 13 this September. I feel a lot of things about that. The kids are all in new school, so we talked about any new friends they've been making, what they think about their teacher, just that new school excitement. And being the nostalgic Scorpio that I am, I was going through photo albums and I also came across some of my pictures when I was little for picture day. Now for most of these pictures, I look back on them very fondly. I had a cute little outfit, my hair looked really nice. These two in particular are two of my favorites. Oh my god, I was so little. I think I may have been 4 or 5 here, but this picture in particular for picture day really stands out because it was one of the few times that I got to wear my hair out. And when I was little, I'm sure many of you can relate, wearing your hair out was like a special occasion type of thing. Now on the other side of the spectrum, some of my other picture day hairstyles were a little bit different. Now apparently for some years, I guess I was a big fan of a slick back moment, as you can see here. I'm about to get wash day going as soon as possible, get in and out as quickly as I can. And I also thought that with it being September, a lot of us are kind of pressed for time, especially when it comes to wash day or if you have kids that are getting ready for their own picture day. So today I'm going to be keeping it nice and simple using the Wash and Go kit from Curl Mix. Kit comes with 4 products, 4 easy steps, which is perfect because I have a lot to do tomorrow and it's already late afternoon, so I have to get this wash and go going. So streamline is the name of the game today for sure. I'm also going to be doing my first wash and go in almost 4 months. For the first step, we've got the Pure Aloe Vera shampoo. Next up, we've got the Pure Grapeseed conditioner, hydration. Yes, please. I haven't done my hair in like over 2 weeks, so the more hydration, the better. And step 3, which is the Pure Avocado moisturizer. And last but not least for styling, we've got the Pure Flaxseed Gel. For these products, I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to go with the fragrance-free option because I know that a lot of my followers over the years have told me that they are really sensitive to different fragrances, and that's caused wash day to either be a little bit extra difficult or made them unable to use certain products in general. So I wanted to highlight an option that is completely fragrance-free from cleansing all the way to styling. So let's get this wash day going. Cleanse this side, moving on to the next. The Pure Aloe Vera shampoo is really great for my low porosity strands. It's not heavy or too thick. It's the perfect consistency to be able to move through with ease. And I hadn't washed my hair in maybe 16 days, so this stuff had quite the tall order to make sure that got all the buildup removed from my scalp and hair to prep it for the rest of my wash day. To do voiceover for a good chunk of this video. I had to pop in after this shampoo to tell you guys right here, right now, it's super fresh in my mind. This shampoo, I feel like I have conditioned my hair. My hair feels so good. I'm also in need of a trim right now, so my ends were a little bit crispy, crunchy, and my ends feel softer now after rinsing the shampoo out. And I can only imagine what the conditioner is gonna have in store for me next. Yes, Ultra Slip right on the bottle. Love to see it. So this product is the perfect consistency for my hair. You guys know that I am totally about that super tangled, dry life over here. So a product with this type of consistency is perfect for my strands. It wasn't thick at all. It was the perfect consistency to move through with ease. And right when I put this in between my hands, I felt the slip in there. It's got some of my favorite ingredients, including slippery elm extract. Also has grapeseed oil, which is wonderful for not only shine, but giving great emollients. So right off the bat, this was starting off very, very well. So since it had been a long time since my last wash day, I needed as much moisture and hydration as I could get, especially since I was going to be doing a wash and go today. And this conditioner definitely delivered. It softened up my hair immediately and it rinsed clean when it was time for me to move on to the next step in my wash day. My hair felt super soft even after rinsing the product completely from my hair. Moving on to step 3, the Pure Avocado Moisturizer. Just like the shampoo and conditioner, the name of the game with this product is slip, slip, and more slip. This softened my hair so well. I always make sure to start with applying product to the crown of my hair since I get a lot of breakage there. And this was the perfect prep before moving on to styling, because as you can see, I still have got tangles that magically appear even after I detangle. And this is such a slippery product that not only moisturizes, but helps to get any remaining shed hair that I have or any new tangles that form, making it perfect before moving on to my last step. And on its own, it even gave some really nice curl definition. And last but not least, step 4 is the Pure Flexi Gel. Again, amazing, amazing slip. This was one of the slipperiest products I have ever tried in my entire life. It moved through my hair incredibly well, which is ideal if I'm doing a wash and go, because I want to make sure that no strand is left behind. I coat everything with product, and I also like to define individual curls as well with my styler. And because this has such ridiculous amounts of slip, that was relatively easy, which is not always the case for me. Again, super impressed by that slip when I get to my roots here, which are notoriously tangled. So something like this, which can really cut through those tangles, help to define and even moisturize on its own, is really something else. So right after styling, I finished getting ready with Nature's blow dryer, aka the windows, down in my car to finish drying my hair. And you guys, this wash and go exceeded my expectations. Touchable softness, no crunch at all, defined every last curl on my hair from root to tip. Plus, it saved a ton of time since I only used 4 products. My hair feels healthy, happy, and shiny, and this wash and go was the perfect start to fall. I hope that everyone has a happy start to the new season, and if you have a picture day coming up in your family, I hope that it is a great start to the new school year. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much to Curl Mix. Bye, guys.